Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at the DREO 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, a high-capacity 3-in-1 cooling system built for larger rooms, apartments, offices, garages, dorms, and living spaces up to 750 square feet. If you need stronger cooling power than a standard portable AC, this model offers impressive performance along with smart convenience features designed for everyday comfort. The biggest advantage of this DREO portable air conditioner is its powerful 14,000 BTU cooling capacity. Unlike smaller units that struggle in large spaces, this model is designed to cool bigger rooms more efficiently and maintain a stable temperature even during extremely hot weather. Whether you're relaxing, gaming, working, or sleeping, the cooling performance helps create a more comfortable indoor environment quickly. This is a 3-in-1 portable AC system, meaning you get cooling mode, fan mode, and dehumidifier mode all built into one machine. Cooling mode lowers room temperature fast, fan mode improves airflow and circulation, and dehumidifier mode removes excess moisture from humid air. That's especially useful during rainy seasons or humid summer days when rooms feel sticky and uncomfortable. The included remote control makes operation very convenient. You can adjust temperature, fan speed, timer settings, and operating modes from across the room without needing to walk over to the unit. It's simple but makes a huge difference during daily use, especially at night or while working. Another useful feature is sleep mode. Instead of running loudly at maximum cooling all night, sleep mode automatically adjusts temperature and fan speed to create a quieter and more balanced sleeping environment. This helps improve comfort while also reducing energy consumption during overnight operation. The built-in timer function adds extra convenience and efficiency. You can set the AC to automatically turn on before you arrive home or shut off after a certain number of hours. The programmable timer helps avoid wasting electricity while keeping your room comfortable exactly when you need it. Installation is designed to be easy thanks to the included full window kit. Unlike permanent window AC units, this portable system can be moved between rooms whenever needed. The built-in wheels make transportation simple, allowing flexible placement in bedrooms, offices, living rooms, or apartments. The modern design also fits well into most spaces without looking bulky or outdated. Despite its strong cooling power, the unit maintains a relatively compact footprint for a portable AC in this performance category. If you need a portable air conditioner capable of handling larger spaces while offering cooling, dehumidifier, and fan functions in one unit, the DREO 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a strong option worth considering. Thanks for watching today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below. See you next time on GadgetVerse.